Now we bring everything together. This is your final framework for becoming a human lie detector. Not someone who guesses, but someone who observes, analyzes, and understands with clarity. Because at this level, it's no longer about techniques, it's about how you think. The human lie detection framework. First is observe without judgment. Everything starts here. When you enter a conversation, don't assume, don't label, don't jump to conclusions. Just observe. Watch behavior, tone, language, and emotional signals. This keeps your mind neutral and accurate. Next step is establish the baseline. I have told you multiple times that before analyzing anything, understand what is normal for this person. How do they usually speak? How do they normally move? What's their natural tone and energy? Without baseline, there is no comparison. Without comparison, there is no detection. Next step is spotting the deviations. Now look for change. Did their tone shift? Did their behavior become rigid or reduced? Did their language become vague or overly controlled? Change equals signal. No change means no signal. Step 4. Look for clusters. One signal means nothing. You need multiple signals happening together. Example pause plus tone shift plus reduced gestures. Now it becomes meaningful. Clusters increase reliability. Next step is checking alignment. Ask, do words and behavior match? Confident words plus tense body? That is a mismatch. Calm tone plus emotional leakage? That's also a mismatch. Misalignment means something is off. You need to pay some more attention towards it. Next step is focus on timing. When did the change happen? Right after a specific question? Around a certain topic? Timing connects behavior to meaning. Next step is analyze effort, also known as cognitive load. Ask, does this feel natural or constructed? Smooth flow means they are likely just recalling it out of their memory. Delays or corrections, that is a possible sign of construction. Effort reveals the pressure. Test consistency over time. Don't decide in one moment. Does the story stay stable? Do details change later? Do patterns repeat? Truth remains consistent. Lies struggle over time. Next step is avoid false positives. This is very important. Always ask, do I have enough data? Is this just one signal? Am I being biased? Accuracy comes from restraint. Next step is responding intelligently. Don't accuse, don't confront aggressively. Instead, ask better questions. Stay calm and neutral. Let the person reveal more. Your goal is clarity, not conflict. Here's the complete formula: baseline plus deviation plus clusters plus context plus time. That is some serious insight. Not certainty, but high probability of something is wrong. The final shift, which changes everything, is beginners think, are they lying? Experts think, what is happening internally right now? Are they under pressure? Are they avoiding something? Are they managing perception? Because deception is just one possibility, but human behavior is the real signal. Here is the golden rules. No single signal proves anything. Context always matters, and patterns are everything. Observation are more important than assumption, and clarity is greater than being right. What you become after this, if you apply this framework consistently, you will notice what others miss. You understand behavior, not just words. You make better decisions in relationships, business, and life. But most importantly, you stay calm, objective, and in control of your perception. Here's the final takeaway from the course. You don't become a human lie detector by spotting lies. You become one by understanding people deeply. Because when you truly understand behavior, emotion, and patterns, lies don't need to be caught. They simply become harder to hide. And that's your final transformation from someone who listens to words to someone who understands what's really going on beneath them. Thank you and see you later in life.